Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve Monopoly Go account using ID number. So after copying your user ID, you'll have to navigate to a new browser on your mobile phone and search for Monopoly Go customer support. Hit enter and click on this link that says Monopoly Go technical support and help center. Here, you'll have to simply click on this small chat icon at the bottom right of the screen and it is going to take you to this bot. So this is Plinko bot. You can ask this bot to connect yourself to a customer support person. So when you type in and ask this bot to connect you with customer support, it will ask your email address. Simply type in your email address of the game, hit enter. Now you'll have to enter the user ID that you just copied from the game from the settings menu. So copy the user ID, paste it here in this section and this bot will help you to recover your Monopoly Go account, and if this bot isn't helping, it will connect you to a customer support executive. So that's the simple way to retrieve Monopoly Go account using ID number. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.